Okay guys, this is Sunamas again, signing in YouTube. This is the part 3 of my tutorial about PC Charger 19 or 17 crack, okay? Here, I want to show you the error about this thing, okay? In my part 1 and part 2, I'm just showing you. Now, I will show you how to fix some errors. Okay. For example, I will wait. As you can see, it's working. Okay. For example, I will open PC Charger. Okay. Here. As you can see, BB Run DLL. Same with Yasak. Same you're using with Yasak here. Now, let's see. Right click. Properties. There it goes. From general, go to compatibility. Okay. I already changed. Okay. I've already changed the compatibility to Windows NT 4.7 Spec 5. Now, when I do this in Windows 95, which is the original setup, okay, and click OK. Now, watch what will happen to the PC Charger. Let's just wait. Okay.
Access granted.
As you can see, it's still access granted. Let's just wait. See, even if you don't put, okay, here, just showing you this, and you can load both. Here, load both. As you can see, you can load both and whatever. With, as you can see, it's working fine. Now I will here, just put it there. Now what I'm trying to tell you is, even if you don't, here, right click properties here. Even if you don't, from general to compatibility, even if you're using Windows 95, the original setup, even if you don't go to Windows NT 4.07 Spec 5 and click on OK, you just have to download this one, BB Run DLL P3 SP06, same you're using with Yasak. This one, copy paste it and put it in your same folder as with PC Charger 19 or 17 crack, and you must download here. You must download and install Net Framework 3.5 or 4.0, and it's bingo. You can actually open the BC Charger BC Charger 19 or 17, or whatever they call it, another crack tools. Okay, even if you don't go to Net 4.03, whatever it is, okay, just download the two, BB Run DLL, same you're using with Yasak, and install Net Framework 3.5 or 4.0. It will work. Okay, and you must download here. Okay, BB Run DLL SP1 and Net Framework 3.5 or 4.0. Here, right click properties, from general, here, go to compatibility. Even if you're using your original setup, Windows 95, okay, even if you don't click Windows 97 Spec 5, it will open. You don't have to go to this one, to this routine. Okay, you don't have to go to this routine. Okay, just download this one, BB Run DLL, and download and install Net Framework 3.5. And if you do download this, make sure you